Editing content is one of the biggest reasons people stay inconsistent because it just takes too long. It consumes a lot of time. But what if you could take one long video and turn it into multiple short videos that are already edited in just a few clicks? Imagine you posting on your YouTube and then you can turn that YouTube long video into multiple short videos that you can post on your TikTok, your YouTube shorts, your Facebook, your Instagram. That is exactly what I'm going to show you how to do using CapCut. So without wasting much time, let's get right into the tutorial. So guys, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to come to your desktop version of your CapCut, and as you can see, the first option under more tools is long video to short. So just click on it and then allow it to load up. It's going to load up the interface. So now that it is loaded up, all you need to now do is to upload your file. So you can click on here or click on the other ones to get where your files are. So I'm just going to scroll to where I usually put my YouTube videos, and I'm just going to look for one suitable video that I can use. We'll just look for something long that makes it easy to use. So I'll just pick on this one and then I'm going to click on open. Now, as you can see, it's going to show you different fonts that you can use. If you have a particular part that you want to use, if you have a particular duration you want each clip to be, all you need to do is to just click on which one. So I'm just going to do 30 to 68 seconds, and then let's pick any one of these, and then let's pick on convert, and then you wait for it to convert, and that is it. Very, very straightforward, simple and easy. So you just wait for it to cut them into the clips and then you're good to go. So I'll come back and show you when it's done. So guys, take a look at this. Can you see each video? So guys, the first thing you're going to do is to log on to this tool. The tool is called Flex Clip. It's really good. Each one has its subtitle. It's now in multiple clips, and then you can decide. It even has like title for each of the clips, so you can try to upload this as short and then link it to your main long video. Simply mind-blowing. And then you can also go ahead and either export, or you can click on edit, and then to bring up other options for you to edit. If you are still not satisfied, just click on edit more. It's going to open up into a normal project on CapCut. So here it is with the whole subtitle, so you have more access to edit a lot. So I hope you found this helpful. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comment section. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.